When it comes to doctor compensation, there's lots of confusion out there and lots of different opinions about what's fair and what's not fair. And I think two of the biggest confusions have to do with, one, the percentage that's paid. And I think everybody's looking for this magic number, this one-size-fits-all number that applies in every situation. And the problem is that that just doesn't exist. Every practice is different. You have to consider the type of practice, whether it's a general practice, an emergency hospital, a referral practice, the species, is it a small animal practice, an equine practice, a food animal practice. And for the equine and the food animal, you also have to consider, is the care delivered on the road, ambulatory, or is it done in the hospital in a haul-in situation? So all of those factors are going to have an impact on what that percentage is. So I think that we need to get away from this idea that there's a magic one-size-fits-all number. The second biggest confusion, I think, is when doctors are paid based on production, what does that percentage cover? What does it include? And again, everybody's always talking about a different number. So clarification regarding when you say a doctor's paid 20% of what they produce, for example, what does that cover? In my mind, that would cover the pay that they receive in their regular paycheck, as well as the retirement contributions that the practice makes on their behalf. I view that as deferred compensation that they're going to get in the future. If you're talking about the percentage, when you want to look at the total compensation benefits in relation to his or her production, then that's going to be yet a different percentage. So if the doctor's getting 20%, the total cost of their benefits, their other benefits, when you look at that in relation to their individual production, that's probably going to be it's going to be 23 or 24%. And then if you factor in the payroll taxes that the practice has to pay, so the owner wants to look at the total cost of employing that doctor, now you're looking at 24 or 25% of their individual production. So I think clarification, there's no right or wrong way per se, it's just being sure that everybody's on the same page about the percentages and what those percentages cover.